Welcome to this video where I'll walk you through the process of creating a comprehensive construction estimate using the totals that you've gathered from your quantity takeoff. In today's demonstration, we'll focus on estimating the cost for interior framing, drywall, and acoustic ceilings. My name is Lewis, and I'll guide you through the construction estimate process for framing, drywall, and acoustic ceilings. Here's what we'll cover. We'll cover utilizing your quantity takeoff to fill in your estimate template, adding quantities to your estimate template, and incorporating markups and profits into your estimate. Now let's jump right into the steps to put together your estimate. Step one would be to open up Bluebeam Revu. This is what you can see right here. I got my quantities for all the stuff that I'm going to be pricing. You can see all the information right here. So that's step one. Second step would be to open up Craftsman Costbook. As I said, that's the program that I use to put together my estimates, and you can see this right here over here on the right hand side. We're gonna have to adjust all these totals. This is from a previous template or one of the last estimates that I've done. So we'll go through those steps of updating all the information in this estimate right here. Step 3 would be to open up this template, which I already have open. So in order to start putting together your estimate, like I said, you're going to do that, rename it, double check it, make sure that you have all the line items that you need in here so that everything's accurate. And then you'll just start to input all the totals that you need. Let's go through this estimate quick and start to put together all my totals and stuff. I won't take you through every single item, but I'll just give you a rough idea on what I do line by line to make sure that I have everything. So here we go for small tools, any items or miscellaneous items I think I'll need throughout the project. I don't think I'll need a lot of stuff. I have everything, but I may need to buy some disc or something or drill bits. Who knows? So I'll put in around $500 of miscellaneous items. I need some scissors to make sure I can get up to the ceiling, install any top tracks or do any work that needs to be done above head. And deliveries, probably need 4 deliveries. I think that's a lot. Probably do it in like 2 deliveries. As you can see, I'll just start to go through the estimate. Here's the total. Everything here will change. So you can see the overhead, the contingency, the profit. We'll get to those details later, but let me just continue to go through this and update all the information that I have. So I'd usually add 10% waste to each item, 10 to 15%. So I'll just take this total here of 16, 17.11, and we'll do 15% waste. Let's copy this number right here, copy, paste, Control V. Okay, you see everything will start to update automatically. I'm not going to go through every single line item here with you. What I will do is I'll finish off this estimate and then I'll come back and then we'll start to walk through the overhead, the contingency, and then the profit area. The final part right here would be to start to deal with your overhead, your contingency, and your profit. So this information should actually come from your accountant information. But if you don't have that info, you can start off by, I guess, just using these numbers right here. Your profit is going to be in regards to your margin, how much it costs for you to operate. So you got to charge more for profit than your margin is. So I could do another video explaining markup and profit so you understand, but you need to understand those numbers if you're going to be profitable. Just go in there and just mark these up, change these to numbers that you're comfortable with, click OK, and your project updates. You're basically done right now. There's nothing less to do. Just go over all the line items, make sure that everything's in here. Then you're done. So after you're done putting this together, it's going to be time to submit your quotation I use HubSpot, which is a CRM software. It's a combination of a CRM, marketing, and analytics software. So I keep all my project information in there like a project board. So I'll just go back to my project board. I'll show you that stuff in probably the next video that I'm doing. I'll just talk to you briefly about it. So I'll go to my HubSpot CRM software and just go to the project information, input it. I got some templates in there. And then I would just send off the quotation. Before wrapping up this video, I'll just let you clarify the difference between an estimate and a quotation. So an estimate represents the pricing you assemble to determine the project cost, while a quotation is your submitted price to your GC or for the project. It's like you're submitting a bid for the project. So this right here is an estimate. Once you put this into a template, professional looking template with your letterhead on it, and you submit it off to the GC, now that is a quotation. That is an official document that you could be held liable for. So I just walk you through an estimate. So make sure that when you're doing this process, taking these steps, that you're accurate. But if you're using a template and you're using a digital takeoff software, it will minimize the mistakes that you make, and you'll have a system that you could consistently reuse to make sure that you're not making mistakes. Take the knowledge from this video to expedite your estimate preparation and simplify your work. If you have any questions, tips, or ideas, feel free to leave a message in the comment section. And please don't forget to click the like button if you found the content helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more information on construction estimating and systemizing your construction business. Thank you for watching.